So for example, he's boxing like this, he's holding like this, like the gloves like this, and the gloves like that. He's going to be jabbing like that. And you back the same thing is footwork. Boom, boom. Because he's going to counter with this. Once I go, he counter with that, I back up.
Point the issue.
See? That's it, man. 而且你那香啊，你安尼进哦，你进，你安尼进哦，你走一关，你走一关。但是这个是要香，你走前面你走中啊，你走中一个个，也是。那你瞧啊，这 if we're standing this far, normally the other guy is not expecting. Malayo tayo di ba? So alam mo na ganyan siya. So you're expecting that to come. You go this side. And then by the time he tries to move away, nag-wave siya doon. And then this hand is here. Kasi pag ginay mo, diba? This will come. But then this go.
Yes.
At sige, si Quickie, Tango, Iyo, si Ampakat, Sin, Jengki na ni Sere, Ikichara, Ichaya, that's it. And now what that is, for example, there is leg technique, from here, kasi you're this close, by the time you charge, you start the wave, you go in, chase, so you go chase,
Boxing has that?
No.
and then go,拍到自己的，然后第三个是这个是弄路线是教，one of my before he already passed away, yung teacher namin si Master Lo, he teach me cross expand, boom, boom, boom. So he's trying to go in, really. So from here, you cross punch here, then you start to come down here, go down there, keep your guard, and then you go through straight, like this. And then while you're moving, when you're ting tamo, your legs is moving too. So nakaganyan ka. Your foot, papasok pa na, itulak. At saka yung footwork niya mawawala.
Mawawala siyang balance.
And at the same time, ang tendency niya, and while he's backing up, you're moving in like this.
Wala yung balance.
Yeah. So you guys see, yan ang gonso ko nila. Yan lo, siya si Kai.